जेन्ना आमकां लोकांनी कळयलें अशें जाला म्हणून आमी इमिडिएटली फायर ब्रिगेड, पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड, जितले डिपार्टमेंट आशिल्ले पळय, डिजास्टर मॅनेजमेंट सगळ्यांक आपोवन हांगा काल सगळ्यांनी येवन सगळे टेस्टिंग बिस्टिंग करपाक घेवन गेल्ले आसा. सो वी आर फायंडींग द सोर्स फ्रॉम वेर इट इज कमींग. आमकां दुबाव आहा की समवेर पायपलायनीन लिकेज आहा आनी फ्रॉम देर सिपेज जावन ते येता. सो इन्क्वायरी इज गोईंग ऑन. एज सून एज इन्क्वायरी जातली you'll come to know from where that seepage is there.
Minister said that there should be investigation and FIR also should be there.
Or that your complaint will be
What is your stand on that?
No, if required, we'll do that actually, because it's a very serious matter. They all underground water contaminated झाले आहा, so we have to take strict action on that.
Second, ये जो बायो हा ये रजिस्टर्ड ना WRD कडे nearly 5 to 6 wells. So ते तुम्ही रजिस्टर करपाक प्रयत्न करतले.
Actually WRD लॉंग बॅक लोकांक सांगलेले की तुमचे पयलींचे बाय आहा पळय ते रजिस्टर करा म्हणून. खुबशे लोकांनी करूं ना. सो नाव वील इन्सिस्ट दॅट इट हॅज टू बी रजिस्टर्ड टू WRD. कित्याक जे बेनिफिट्स आहा पळय फ्रॉम WRD आतां मेळना आनी दॅट इट इज कॉल्ड इलिगल बाय देम. सो वी हॅव टू रजिस्टर इट एक्चुअली.
In for future safety, you will have meeting with oil companies because your line तुमचे पंचायती
Yeah, major line is crosses from our Chigalim Panchayat. So already त्यांना सांगलेले आहा की full म्हणून तुम्ही check करा from where that leakage is there. And we have doubt, they also have doubt actually somewhere tapping is been done. Because last time already ते सापडलेले illegal they were extracting from their pipeline. So that also they are checking, and they are checking their pipeline also where the leakage is there.
Pipeline or the storage tank facility. I am very clear on this. Otherwise, it cannot be the case that water is converted into petrol and we become one of the Gulf countries. It is not so. It is clearly a case of leakage in either the main pipeline or the storage facility itself. They have to correct it. I have told the company officials, on a war footing they have to get it done. Well should be restored back to clear water coming. Similar thing I remember years ago when I had got it corrected. It had happened in a Sankwal area. Thereafter, even it had happened in Bogmalo as well. So this is the third such case. These
even at Daktalim.
that call, that is not my concern. I'm talking where it happened within my jurisdiction. That may be the fourth case, which means that over stress to the infrastructure. Suppose even it was concrete, it was very heavy pipes, they are bound to give in. Some stage they collapse, and then these are the type of things what happen. We have to take corrective measures. I will ensure that corrective measures are taken. आणि लोकां बांयचें उदक परत पिवपाक मेळपाक जाय. ती स्थिती आमी परत हाडून दाखयतले. वॉटर रिसोर्सीस, आय एम टेलिंग यू, इट इज युअर रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. सी दॅट थिंग इज डन. ओके.
Sir, there's any foul play?
people are suspecting pilferage, sir. पायपाक बुराक काढून पेट्रोल काडपाचे. बिकॉज पयलीं एकदां जाल्ले वयरूच
इन्सिडेंट झालेले आसा ह्या एरियान.
पिल्फरेज करपाचे लोक हेजे फुडें तेंय जाल्लें तुमकां खबर आसा. पिल्फरेज करपी लोक इवन बोटीनसून पेट्रोल आनी हे डिझल येत ते पिल्फरेज करून आज ते एक्टिविस्ट जाला, दुसऱ्यांक त्रास करता. असले इतिहास आहा हे विलेजीन. तेच लोक व्हडले आतां शाणपणां दाखयता आनी ते आपण एक्टिविस्ट म्हणून दाखयता. एक टायमार तेच चोरताले पेट्रोल आनी तेजेर वयर सरला ते. आतां घडी कोन्ना आसतले, बरी गजाल कोन्ना जाल्या, पूण असले हिंगा जाल्ले आसा. सो आय वूड रिक्वेस्ट द ऑथॉरिटीज टू इन्वेस्टिगेट इन दीस पार्ट एज वेल.
Do you think that any FIR should be registered or any kind of a proof should be?
It is up to the Water Resources Department, because it is their responsibility to register FIR if they find it necessary. In fact, I would say register it.
So,
तो पंच कोण ते
निलिमा
मागीर तेणी करपा जाय एक्शन रजिस्टर करपा जाय. Local authorities have to do. Understood?
So FIR will be, you think FIR should be lodged in
let
such
it be
a case?
investigated where there is mischief also, no?
Correct. So,
Accident is one thing and mischief is another thing, no?
yes, sir. So any direction to the company, oil company, because ही pipeline गेल्या, so in future अशे cases जावपाक जायना म्हणून directions दिल्या तुम्ही?
See, in the past also we have been very strict with them, and that's how they took remedial action. Here also I expect them to take remedial action. येता मरे?
Yes sir.
तुमगेल higher up कोण हिंगा?
सध्या हांव आसा सर.
Okay.
So tomorrow they are coming from Bombay.
You tell them I have taken it up very strongly.
Yes,
Otherwise, I am afraid if this continues, I'll have to stop everything.
Yes sir.
Understood? No, otherwise I'll be forced to stop.
Yes sir.
I don't want that situation developing. because we need petrol also, but we don't need petrol in the wells. Understood? No? That is important.
Yes, sir. We'll excavate it continuously until we rectify it. We will not stop.
What is your designation?
I am the CEO of the company.
CEO. What's your name?
Shri Prasad.
Huh?
Shri Prasad.
Sri Prasad. Then you have to take it very seriously, no?
Yes, sir.
Huh? This is not a small thing. It has happened from you all only. Find out the records. You all had built an entire new pipeline. You all had put, changed everything in Sangwal at my BF that time. Also other places as well. Bogmalo also. Of course, it was Navy there. They had corrected the situation. Here again, it is your only because only Zuari oil tanking is there.
So 6 months back they had carried out some repairs. 6 months back they have carried out repairs.
They repair then they continuous जातात. The stress comes only because ultimately it is petroleum product, no? Diesel, petroleum, it is highly corrosive that way. That spoils the pipe. Is it not?
Yes, sir.